back to the channel everyone. Today we are going to explore something truly amazing for travel lovers and luxury lifestyle fans. Imagine a giant luxury motorhome that combines the comfort of a modern apartment with the freedom of the open road. This beautiful white luxury camper is designed for people who love adventure but do not want to sacrifice comfort and style. From the outside it already looks powerful, modern and extremely elegant, but the real magic begins when we start exploring everything this incredible motorhome has to offer. As you look at the exterior design, the first thing you notice is the massive body structure and the premium glossy white finish that shines under the lights. The aerodynamic design not only looks beautiful but also improves stability while driving on highways and long roads. Large panoramic windows wrap around the sides of the motorhome, allowing natural light to fill the interior while giving passengers a stunning view of the outside scenery during travel. The triple-axle wheel system with large heavy-duty wheels provides strong support and balance, making the vehicle capable of long-distance road trips across different terrains. Moving toward the rear side of the motorhome, the design continues to impress with stylish LED lighting, clean modern lines and carefully designed storage compartments. These compartments allow travelers to carry camping equipment, travel gear and outdoor accessories without sacrificing interior space. The rear design also includes smart technology lighting that improves visibility at night while adding a futuristic appearance. Now imagine approaching the entrance door and stepping inside this beautiful motorhome. The moment you enter, the interior immediately feels like a luxury hotel suite on wheels. Soft lighting, warm colors, and premium materials create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. The spacious layout allows people to move comfortably without feeling cramped, something that many traditional campers struggle to provide. One of the highlights of the interior is the living area. A comfortable sofa seating space allows travelers to relax, watch TV or enjoy conversations with family and friends after a long day of exploring. The seating area is positioned near large windows so passengers can enjoy breathtaking views while sitting comfortably inside. Above the seating area you can also notice elegant storage cabinets designed with modern finishes and smart space-saving technology. Next to the living area we move into the fully equipped kitchen space. This kitchen is designed to function almost like a home kitchen, providing everything needed to prepare meals while traveling. A modern refrigerator allows food storage for long journeys. There is also a microwave oven, an induction stove for cooking, a sink with a stylish faucet and multiple cabinets for storing kitchen supplies. Marble-style countertops add a luxurious touch while also being durable and easy to clean. Another impressive part of the motorhome is the dining area where travelers can sit down together and enjoy meals. The table design is compact but comfortable, allowing family members to gather and enjoy food just like they would at home. The soft ambient lighting above the dining table creates a warm and inviting atmosphere during evening meals. As we continue exploring the interior, we arrive at the sleeping area which is designed for maximum comfort and relaxation. A large king-size bed sits in the center of the bedroom space, surrounded by soft lighting and stylish interior panels. The bed features premium bedding designed to provide hotel-level comfort even while traveling across long distances. Storage compartments around the bed allow travelers to keep personal items organized while maximizing space efficiency. Another feature that makes this motorhome special is the large windows in the bedroom area. These windows allow travelers to wake up with beautiful views of nature, mountains, forests, or beaches depending on where the journey takes them. At night, travelers can relax in bed while enjoying peaceful views outside the camper. Of course, a luxury motorhome would not be complete without a modern bathroom. The washroom area inside this camper is designed with elegance and practicality in mind. Inside you will find a stylish sink with a mirror cabinet, a modern toilet system and a glass-enclosed shower area. The rainfall-style shower head provides a comfortable and relaxing shower experience even while traveling. Marble-style walls and chrome fixtures add a touch of luxury that makes the bathroom feel more like a hotel spa than a camper washroom. Now let's take a look at the driver cabin area, which is where technology and comfort come together. The driver's seat is made from premium leather and is designed for long-distance driving comfort. The steering wheel features modern control buttons that allow the driver to manage various systems without distraction. In front of the driver sits a large digital dashboard display that provides important driving information such as navigation, speed, vehicle status, and camera views. Large panoramic windshield glass gives the driver a wide view of the road ahead, which is extremely important for a vehicle of this size. For families, this kind of camper provides an unforgettable travel experience. Children can enjoy the adventure of road trips while still having the comfort of a cozy sleeping space and entertainment system. Couples can enjoy romantic travel experiences while waking up to stunning natural views every morning. Long-distance travelers and adventure enthusiasts will also appreciate the durability and capability of a large motorhome like this. The strong chassis, multiple wheel system and powerful engine allow it to travel long distances with confidence. At the same time, the interior luxury ensures that every journey feels relaxing rather than exhausting. Another benefit of modern motorhomes is how they combine mobility and lifestyle into one vehicle. Instead of being limited to one location, travelers can explore different cities, landscapes and environments while always having their home with them. This lifestyle has become increasingly popular among travelers who value freedom and flexibility. It allows you to wake up in new destinations, experience nature closely and enjoy the journey just as much as the destination itself. Thank you for watching and exploring this incredible luxury motorhome with us today. If you enjoy discovering amazing vehicles, campers and futuristic travel machines like this one, make sure to support the channel and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon.